bring. Here, let me once check. Okay. You can bring water. Hi. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Bagunara. Everyone manchi at home. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah. So everyone manchi at home. Maybe it's raining, so that's why operator came late today. Okay, no problem. I came on time. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. So what's going on at home? Chilling or studying? What's going on? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? No one is saying anything. My voice is coming now. Is my voice is coming? Chilling with studying. Yeah, okay, no problem. Sir, we are not normal people, sir. We are ultra pro legend. So we also chill. Life is all about chilling only, sir. But we are not chilling in normal way. We are not chilling with movies. We are not chilling with sports. We are chilling with studying. Yeah, okay, no problem. Very good. Yeah. In your area also rain is happening. In your area also rain is there. I think now rainy season starts. Everywhere it's raining. Yeah. Here I think from yesterday continuously raining. It's continuously raining. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So no problem. Rainy season. Enjoy rainy season with studying, not with other ways. Other ways are also there to enjoy rainy season, but you are in a mission. You are in a mission to become doctor in the NEET 2024. So everything that you do should be targeting NEET 2024. So that's why rain is there. So of course, rainy season we must enjoy. But we'll enjoy with studying. We'll study to enjoy it. Yeah, okay, no problem. So shall we start with the class shuru kare? Because already 15 minutes I poindi. Shall we start? Shuru kare? Okay, no problem. Yeah. So can you tell me what we studied in the last class? I think in last class we were talking about equation of motion. We studied 4 equation. At the last I was telling you how to find ratio of Sn and Sn minus 1th. All these things we studied in the last class. Yeah, stopping distance calculated. We calculated stopping distance also. Okay, no problem. So all these things we completed. Today we will talk about some more questions. We will complete one more part. Then we will try to start with mug. That is motion under gravity. That is our ultimate target. Finally, we will start with motion under gravity. Before that, few more things we will talk. Some more questions we'll be talking from our whatever we studied. This class is for long term, Baba. Junior, intern, not. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So, so one thing I will tell you, then we will talk about some new type of questions. We will talk about one ratio. One very famous ratio is there from where questions are asked. Can you guess which ratio I am talking about? Can you guess which ratio I am talking about? Yeah. Galileo's ratio. Last year also question came, Galileo's uncle. Yeah, uncle's ratio, Galileo uncle ratio we'll be talking about. You can write Galileo's ratio. Galileo ratio. So we'll talk about Galileo's ratio. Spelling may be wrong. But don't worry, no one will ask you spelling of Galileo. So we'll talk about Galileo's ratio. Some people are knowing also what is that ratio. Some ratio will come. What is that ratio? Hari Surya is saying that ratio. Remaining people, what is Galileo's ratio? One is to 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9 is to and so on. That ratio is known as Galileo's ratio. Okay, no problem. You have idea about that ratio. But today we will talk in detail what is meaning of this ratio, when this ratio is applicable, how different type of questions are asked with the help of Galileo's ratio. This is NCRT part, question is asked from here. This is given in NCRT, so one of the important and easy situation. So dhyan dena, be focused. Be focused. For coming 15 to 20, 30 minutes, we will talk about our Galileo's ratio. Yesterday no class was there, so that's why it is not uploaded in YouTube. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So we'll talk about this Galileo's ratio. So just see here how we'll be talking. Dhyan dena. Only knowing is not important, because many times in NEET questions are asked. Maybe you have seen last to last year question, but many times questions are asked. Students don't know that this question is of Galileo's ratio. Dhyan dena what I am trying to tell. How to use Galileo's ratio, when Galileo's ratio will be applicable, how different type of everyone knows the ratio. That ratio will come 1:3:5. But what is meaning of this ratio? How numericals can be designed from this ratio? That is our part today. So dhyan dena, be focused. Be focused is here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So see how this Galileo's ratio work, how that result comes. Because once you know the process, it will become easy for you to remember. Also, it will become easy for you to use in the NEET exam also. So just see here how we'll be talking. Dhyan dena, just see here. Yeah. Always remember, it's not like that in any question you can apply Galileo's ratio. Any question came, you close your eyes and you apply the ratio 1:3:5, answer will not come. There is a way to apply Galileo's ratio. Galileo's ratio always work with one condition. See that condition. Just see here, yeah. What Galileo's ratio says, if a particle starts from rest, this is the first condition. Your object must be starting from rest. This is the Galileo's ratio. This is the condition of Galileo's ratio. If the object starts from rest with a constant acceleration, or you can say uniform acceleration. You know our equation of motion are applicable only for uniform acceleration or constant acceleration. That's why this condition must be given. Because Galileo's ratio is direct result of fourth equation of motion. And equation of motion will work only when acceleration is constant. So what Galileo's ratio says, if a particle starts from rest with constant acceleration, then ratio of distance traveled during first second to the second second to the third second to the fourth second, that ratio will come 1:3:5:7:9 and so on. Yeah, of course, acceleration is there means velocity will change. Acceleration constant means velocity, or definitely acceleration there, velocity will change. So dhyan dena, what Galileo's ratio says, if the particle starts from rest with constant acceleration or uniform acceleration, then ratio of distance traveled during first second. For example, if anyone asks you to find distance during first second of its motion, can you tell me how you'll calculate? Which equation of motion you'll use to calculate for distance during first second? Can you tell me which equation you'll use? Which equation you'll use? Fourth equation, particular second. Galileo's ratio is talking about particular second. Very good. Yeah. So distance, if you calculate distance during first second, that will become u plus, u is 0, u plus a by 2 into 2n. What is n? N is 1. N is 1 minus 1. Similarly, if you calculate distance during second, that will become u plus a by 2 into 2n. N is 2 minus 1. If you calculate distance during third second, if you calculate distance during third second, that will become u plus a by 2 into 2 into 3 minus 1. And so on. And so on. You can keep on calculating. We will not calculate for all the time. From here, we will get idea about the ratio. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Huh? Now, if you find the ratio, if you see how much this will come finally a by 2 into, you see 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 minus 1, this will give you 1. If you calculate this, this will become a by 2 into 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1, that will give you 3. Similarly, if you calculate here, this will become a by 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 1, that will come 5. That means if you keep on finding this ratio, if you find ratio of these distances, someone says, okay, sir, I understood how to find, but if anyone asks you, sir, what is the ratio of these distances? So ratio of distance traveled during first second is to distance traveled during second is to distance traveled during third second, and so on. That means fourth second, fifth second, sixth second, seventh second. Can you tell me how much this ratio will come? For ratio, you know, you will divide them. If you divide a by 2, a by 2, a by 2 will get cancelled, and this ratio will give you 1:3:5:7:9, and so on. This ratio appearing on the board is known as Galileo's ratio. First, you can derive this Galileo's ratio. You can write this. Then I will talk about how numericals are framed. One of the easy and important part. So ratio of distance traveled during first second, third second will come 1:3:5:7:9, and so on. And always remember, it's not like that for every question you can apply Galileo's ratio. No, there's a problem with the student. They see the question, they start thinking, no, always think about Galileo's ratio only when particle starts from rest with constant acceleration. Because if acceleration is not constant, we cannot use equation of motion. Is it okay? Is it okay? Everyone got the idea? Everyone got the idea how this ratio comes? What is meaning of this ratio, when this ratio is applicable? Yeah, so come on, finally I will ask you. You tell me, what is the ratio of distance traveled by the particle starting from rest with constant acceleration during first second, third second, fourth second? What is that ratio? What is the value of that ratio? Jaldi batao. What is the value of that ratio? Jaldi batao. What is the value of that ratio? That ratio is Galileo's ratio. What is its value? 1:3:5:7:9, and so on. 1:3:5:7:9:11. All odd number ratio. This ratio will be of odd number. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. In NEET 2022, this ratio itself asked, what is the value of Galileo's ratio? They said a particle falling from rest. Find the ratio of distance traveled during first second, third second, and this ratio was present in option. Everyone got the answer. Now dhyan dena. Be focused, understand. One more thing I will tell you. Thoda dhyan dena, be focused. Just see here. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay. Acha, if you now understand, always remember we are studying Galileo's ratio in interval of 1 second now. First second, third second, fourth second. Interval is of 1 now. But always remember this ratio is applicable even if you take bigger interval. Dhyan do what I'm trying to tell. Last to last year, directly this ratio came. Before that also, so many questions were asked which were solved with the help of Galileo's ratio. But they were slightly complicated. Dhyan dena. Always remember, we study Galileo's ratio in interval of 1 second, but this ratio is applicable even for bigger consecutive interval of time. For example, someone says, find the ratio of distance traveled during first 2 seconds, next 2 seconds, next 2 seconds, next 2 seconds. Again, same ratio will come 1:3:5:7:9. Dhyan dena. We are studying for interval of 1 second, but this Galileo's ratio is applicable for every fixed continuous consecutive interval of time. For example, they will ask you, a ball is falling from rest from certain height. Find the ratio of distance covered by the ball in first 5 seconds, next 5 seconds, next 5 seconds, next 5 seconds. Can you tell me what is that ratio? Batao kitna aega? How much that ratio will come? Tell me how much that ratio will come. First 5 seconds, next 5 seconds, next 5 seconds, next 5. Again, same will come. We are deriving for interval of 1 second. But this ratio is always applicable for every fixed continuous interval of time. You can write this point. Then we will start with some questions from here. Yeah, bahut badhiya. Very good. You can write this point. You write, Galileo's ratio is applicable Galileo's ratio is applicable for every Galileo's ratio is applicable for every Galileo's ratio is applicable for every fixed and consecutive interval of time. Galileo's ratio is applicable for every fixed and consecutive interval of time. For every fixed and consecutive interval of time is applicable for every fixed and consecutive interval of time. So point is, we are taking Galileo's ratio, we are deriving by taking interval of 1 second, but this ratio work for every fixed. Tomorrow someone say, what is the ratio of distance traveled during, you will say the answer. What is the ratio of distance traveled by the particle starting from rest with uniform acceleration during first 100 second, next 100 second, next 100 second? Come on, tell me how much ratio will come. Jaldi batao. How much ratio will come? How much ratio will come? Same. 1:3:5:7. Someone will say, find the ratio of distance traveled by the particle during first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Tell me how much that ratio will come. Again, same. 1 is for every fixed consecutive interval of time. This Galileo's ratio will work. This is Galileo. That's why we are giving that much of importance now. Only for 1 second, if it will be there, why will study that much? For every fixed interval of time, this Galileo's ratio will always work, will always give you ratio of distance. Is it okay? Shall we do some question from here? Shall we do some question from here? No problem, no problem. So 2-3 types of questions are there. First question is the ratio itself. Second question, second type of question we will talk. I will give you one question. You write. We'll talk about some questions from here. You write. A car starts from rest with uniform acceleration. A car starts from rest with uniform acceleration. A car starts from rest with uniform acceleration and travel distance S1 during first 5 seconds and travels distance S1 during first 5 seconds. This is also previous year NEET question. I travel distance S1 during first 5 seconds and distance S2 during next 5 seconds and distance S2 during next 5 seconds. Then relation between S1 and S2 will be, you have to tell me value of S2 in the terms of S1. Then relation between S2 and S1 will be, I will give you option, you can say which option is correct. Fourth can't say. I have not studied, so how I can say? You can see now, this previous year NEET question only. Previous year NEET question. Now see, they have not taken interval of 1 second. They have taken interval of 5 seconds. So this ratio will work for every fixed consecutive interval of time. First 5 seconds and next 5 seconds. Sir, you are talking about find the ratio of distance traveled by the particle during first 5 seconds. Means 0 to 5. And in the next 5 seconds, that means 5 to 10. Consecutive interval, that means here if distance is S1, here distance is S2, I can say, sir, S1 is to S2 will be coming as Galileo's ratio of distance traveled during any fixed consecutive interval of time. You have taken interval of 5 seconds, sir. Okay, no problem. So first 5 seconds, next 5 seconds, this ratio will come 1:3. That means S1 by S2 will come 1 by 3. That means S2 will be coming as 3S1. That means our answer will be third option. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Now do the next question. Do the next question. Chalo. We'll do some changes. This is also previous year NEET question only, but we will do some changes here. Again, some more questions will come. You can write next question. Chalo. Jaldi. You write a car. You write a car starting from rest. A car starting from rest travels distance x. Travels distance x in the first 10 seconds. A car starting from rest travels distance x in the first 10 seconds and distance y in the first 20 seconds and distance y in the first 20 seconds, distance x in the first 10 seconds and distance y in the first 20 seconds. Find x by y. Find x by y. Or they will ask you y equal to how much x. Kusuma, very good. Those who will tell the answer, they will also say how they thought and how they got the answer. Kavita, very good. Vijay, very good. Ajay, very good. But how you got the answer, that also you have to tell me side by side. But ratio was 1:3. You are saying 1:4. Ratio was 1:3. Now I am seeing everyone very good. Manish Chala, very good. Akash, Srinivas, very good. Only Chintu has given wrong answer. Kavya is saying y equal to 3x. Wrong, Kavya. Y equal to 4x will come. But ratio was 1:3. Now how you got y equal to 4x? You should get y equal to 3x now. How it is coming 1 by 4? How y is coming equal to 4x? Who will tell me? Come on. Ratio is 1:3 now, but here you are saying, sir, 1:4. Pagal ho gaye ho kya? Kusuma, very good. Kusuma, very good. Ha, very good, Durga Prasad. Dhyan do. Always remember, ratio is 1:3:5, but it's not mandatory. They will always ask you 1:3:5. They can play with the ratio. They can play. Here, they have nothing new concept. They have played with the ratio. Yeah, very good, very good. Y will come 4. X will come 1. So that's why. Dhyan do, just see here. Those who are feeling any problem, see for the last time. See for the last time. Then again, I will make questions slightly more complicated. Yeah. Okay. Always remember, this type of question will be always solved by Galileo's ratio. But this is what I'm saying. Don't use Galileo's ratio blindly. आँख बंद करके मत use करो 1:3:5. No. You have to read the question. And the question they are saying you. This is the way to solve. Whenever such question comes, they are saying a particle starts from rest. Distance traveled during first 10 seconds is x. And distance traveled during total 20 seconds means from here. This is also 10 seconds. I am taking interval of 10 seconds, 10 seconds. No problem. Yeah. So they are saying ratio of, yeah, they are asking you distance traveled during first 10 seconds is x. And distance traveled during first 20 seconds. 20 seconds means 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 2 times will come. So if this is x, this is 3x. ध्यान दो एक बार फिर से, because next question will be little more complicated. ध्यान दो एक बार फिर से. Those who are getting, those who are not getting, everyone must see there. Sir, what they are saying? They are saying, sir, first they are talking about first 10 seconds. Then they are talking about first 20 seconds. Sir, what is meaning of first 20 seconds? Sir, first 20 second meaning means first 10 seconds, then next 10 seconds. That is the meaning of first 20 seconds. First 20 seconds means first 10 seconds, then next 10 seconds. So you know first 10 seconds if distance is x, next 10 seconds, distance will be 3x. And this total 20 seconds they have given you as y. Now from here you can see, when a blind person can see and tell, sir, y means first 20 seconds. First 20 seconds means first 10 seconds, and next 10 seconds, that means x plus 3x. That means y will be equal to 4x. Chamka, everyone got perfect idea? Everyone got perfect idea? Can I make question little more tough? Little not tough. Only I can complicate the situation. That's it. Just you have to read the question, understand, and you'll get the answer. You write the next question. चलो एक और question बताओ. Final question from here. हाँ बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया. You write. You write. A bus travels distance S1. A bus travels distance S1 in the first 5 seconds. A bus travels distance S1 in the first 5 seconds, and distance S2 and distance S2 and distance S2 in the next 10 seconds. A bus travels distance S1 in the first 5 seconds and distance S2 in the next 10 seconds. Then find S1 by S2. Let's see who will be able to give. Kusuma, very good. You are perfect in Galileo's ratio. You'll never do mistake if question will come in the need from there. Kavita, very good. Perfect. Kadilia, perfect. Durga, perfect. Manisha, correct. Blessy, wrong. थोड़ा सोचो, question पढ़ो. Sajid, very good. Dipti, very good. Kavya, very. Now Kavya said correct. Yeah. हाँ, Naved, very good. Pravalika, very good. Dwarkesh, yeah. Dwarkesh has given explanation also. Very good, Dwarkesh. Ramnath, very good. Akash, very good. What other people are giving? All people should give the answer. Joshna, very good. Come on. Yeah, Durga Prasad, correct. Yeah, explanation also correct. No problem. Huh? So point is, okay, no problem. Ruchi also correct. Very good. Lachna, very good. No problem. Answer will come. Sriram, very good. 1:8. 1:8 will be our answer. No problem. No problem. Everyone got the idea. I think now seeing the answer, I think Dipti also got. Jyoti also got. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Now Blessy has said the correct answer. Wow, Blessy. Yeah. Okay, no problem. No problem. If you have any doubt, see for the last time, because now I will change the pattern of question. Question asking I will change from now. So this is the last question of this type. Just see here. Again, from day one I am saying in physics concepts are very limited, but question framing can be infinite types. So reading question will be always important. First read the question, understand the question, then only you will solve. So in the question they are saying you a bus travel distance S1 in the first 5 seconds. Means 0 to 5 second bus travel distance S1, no problem. That means there. Yeah, Blessy correct. Explanation also correct. Yeah. So this is what they're saying, sir. A bus travel distance S1 during first 5 seconds and distance S2 in the next 10 seconds. Next 10 seconds means next 10 seconds means interval of 5 will come. Next 10 seconds means from 5 to 10 and from 10 to 15. Next 5 seconds means, yeah, sir, a bus travel distance S1 in the first 5 seconds and distance S2 in the next 10 seconds. 10 seconds means 2-5 interval will come. Two intervals will come of 5 seconds. That means if this is X, this is 3X, this is 5X. At this distance they have said as S2. This is your S1. So I think S1 by S2 will come as S1 is X, S2 is 8X. XX will get cancelled. S2 will be coming as 8S1. Can I be 100% sure if such question will come in the NEET? Definitely will be able to do. Batao. Then we'll move towards the next question. Or say with surety 100% or not? Bata do. With 100% surety. Very good. No doubt, sir. We understood how to use Galileo's ratio. Enough. Fasak. Now Galileo's ratio. This type of questions done. Do the next question. Do the next question. Chalo. Bahut badhiya. Do the next question. I will change the type of question. You write? You write? Yeah. Bahut badhiya. Bahut badhiya. Yeah. You write? You write? A car starts from rest. A car starts from rest. A car starts from rest and travels A car starts from rest and travels 5/9 of total distance. A car starts from rest and travel 5/9 of total distance during last second of its journey, and travels 5/9 of total distance during last second of its journey. A car starts from rest and travel 5/9 of total distance during the last second of its journey. If its acceleration is 4 meter per second square, if its acceleration is 4 meter per second square, if its acceleration is 4 meter per second square, find total time of journey and distance covered. Then find total time of journey. Yeah, Kusma, correct. Very good, Kusma. Find total distance, find total time of journey and distance. Dipti also very good. How you got total time of journey? Ruchi also very good. Kavya also very good. Manisha also very good. Jyoti very good. Akash very good. Bahut badhiya. Everyone is giving answer very fast. Manish Shala very good. Who can tell me how you got total time of journey? What is total time of journey? 3 seconds. How you got 3 seconds? Kaise pata chala 3 seconds is the total time of journey? How you got? 18 is the correct answer. Total distance will be 18 meter. How you got time is 3 seconds? Because once you know the time, distance also you can find. No problem. Half 80 square. Dipti very good. Kavita very good. Sajid very good. 5/9. Okay, 1:3:5. 5 is coming on third position, means total time is 3 seconds. Yeah, very good. Yeah, Lachna very good, very good. Now dhyan dena, be focused. After this I will give one final question from here, then we will finish out the Galileo's ratio. Dhyan dena, just here. Those who are having any doubt, your doubt will be cleared here. How to solve this type of question when it is asked from Galileo's ratio? Just here. Yeah, okay, no problem. Again, collect the data. Sir, what is given? Kya diya hua hai, sir? What they are saying? Starting from rest, acceleration constant, that acceleration they are giving as 4 meter per second square. And they are saying distance traveled during last second is 5/9 of total distance. That means from here I can say distance of last second by distance of total. This will be coming as 5/9. Dhyan dena, thoda be focused. I will tell you theoretical way also how to count, how to give the number, how to tell time directly, and I will tell you mathematically also. Both ways I will say. Now dhyan dena, just see here. Yeah. So distance, this is what is given. Till now I have not done anything. They said U0, A4. They said about this distance traveled during last second is 5/9 of total distance. That means distance in the last second by distance in total will be coming as 5/9. That means dhyan dena, be focused. There must be Valagandhi in your brain. Otherwise, you'll always struggle in this type of question. I will simply say famous question. Previously 2-3 times they have asked question like this. I will simply say, sir, when I'm looking at this now, I'm realizing the last second corresponds to what? You tell me last second corresponds to what? Last second corresponds to 5. Last second, देखो वहां पे last second by total ratio of this distance you have got. Last second by total, that is coming as 5/9. That means last second corresponds to 5. Means last second, during the interval of last second, body travel 5. 5 means when 5 will come. When I see the Galileo's ratio, sir, that ratio says 1:3:5. That means last second here corresponds to 5. And 5 is coming in which position? third position. That means total time. That means last second was the third interval. If last second was the third interval, total time of journey will come 3 seconds. And if you know total time of journey, you can find distance. S will be equal to ut will be 0 because u is 0. Half a 4 into t square, that is 3 square. That will give you 18 meter. Chamka kya? Bolo bolo, those who were little bit doubt was there, little bit people struggling, everyone got the idea. एक बार बता दो. Because I will ask so many questions now from here. They said, nah, distance traveled during last second is 5/9 of total. That means last second is corresponding to 5 now. That means last second is corresponding to 5. 5 comes in which interval? 1:3:5. 5 is coming in third position. Means total time of journey is last second is a third interval. If last second is a third interval, total time of journey is 3 seconds. If total time of journey is 3 seconds, distance also you can find. Distance also you can find. This is theoretically you can count. For example, someone says, chalo batao. Distance during last second is 9/25 of total. Tell me what is the total time of journey? Bata do. What is the total time of journey? Dipti Pravalika, you are not focused. That's why you did not understand. Wait, you will understand now. You can Durga Prasad, how 6 you are saying? 5, yeah, last second is 9/25. That means if you want, you can write distance of last by distance of total. That will be coming as 9/25. Are so last second interval, how much distance? Last second interval corresponds to 9. If it corresponds to 9, 9 comes in which interval? 1:3:5:7:9. Fifth position means last second is the fifth interval. If last second is the fifth interval, time of journey is 5 seconds. फिंगर्स पे काउंट करो, डायरेक्टली आ जाएगा आंसर. आर यू गेटिंग आइडिया? 8/25 will not come ना. It will not come. 8/25 not possible. Don't think 8/25. It will not come. Are you getting the idea? बोलो 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 बोलो. Now understood. It's so easy. It's so easy. उंगली पे काउंट करना है. Total by, sir, last by total is 9/20. This means, that means during the last interval, it travels 9x. So 9x will come in where? So 1:3:5:7:9. It is coming in fifth position. Means last second is the fifth interval. If it is the fifth interval, time is 5 seconds. Bolo bolo, done 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 done. Bolo bolo. Yeah, that is correct. That I will tell now. Okay, no problem. Now, if you want na, okay, no problem. This is one way to think. Dhyan dena just see here. Okay, no problem. I can tell you another way also. Dhyan dena, be focused. Yeah. This is theoretically you can count. If you want numerically also you can do. Because if you remember, yahan dhyan, both methods you must know. Then only you will get exact idea what we are trying to tell. If you remember, in last class I told you ratio of distance in the nth second and 0 to n second. Are you getting? Last second is the nth second, total is 0 to n. Do you remember this? This ratio came 2n-1 / n square. कुछ याद आ रहा है? हाँ श्रीराम, correct. That is what I'm trying to tell. Ratio of distance travel in nth second and total n second. Do you remember this ratio? Same thing here, last second and total. Nth second is our last second. So from here, if you relate, if you want, you can relate numerator also. If you relate numerator, 2n-1 will be equal to 9. 2n will be equal to 10. N will be equal to 5. This is one way. Otherwise, someone say, no, sir, I will not relate numerator, I will relate denominator. You can relate denominator also. N square equal to 25. N will be equal to 5. This is also way. This is using your pen. That was without pen. Here also you can use. Last second I know, sir. Ratio of distance in the particular second by total we know. 2n minus 1 by n square. Now if you relate from here, you see 2n minus 1 equal to 5, n equal to 3. Or if you want, you can directly relate denominator, n square equal to 9, n equal to 3. Are you getting the idea? Bolo, 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 bolo. Now complete idea I gave to you. Now nothing is left here to tell. Everything I told, but I don't know how much you understood. Did you got the idea? Everyone understood all ways to think directly on the fingers, how you can count, with the help of maths, how you can do. So last मुझे बता दो, distance during last second is 11 by 36 of total. Tell me total time of journey. Tell me total time of journey. 6 seconds. Both anyway. Sir, 11 is coming now. 11 is coming now. 11 means, sir, 11 corresponds to last second. So 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9 is to 11. 11 is coming on the 6th position. Means last second is the 6th interval. 6th interval means time is 6 seconds. Or someone will say, no, sir, I know, sir, this numerator is actually, sir, 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1 is 11. So 2n equal to 12, n equal to 6. Or someone will know, sir, I know, sir, denominator means n square, sir. So n square is 36, sir, n will be 6. 3 ways I told you how to get the total time. And always remember, time is not asked. They also ask distance. So s will be half a into t square. Bolo, bolo, ho jayega, ho jayega, ho jayega. आगे बढ़े. हो जाएगा, आगे बढ़े. एक बार बोल दो yes or no. What is Divya Sri? 5 seconds. 6 is coming. You are saying 5. Hari Krishna, next 10 second means next 2 interval of 5, 5. Means 3x and 5x. 8x will come. 1:8 will come. उसको क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो अच्छे से. Next 10 second means 2, 5, 5 are there. No problem, no problem. So this is how we talk about. Okay, I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See Galileo's ratio, then we will move further. Some more questions we will talk. Some final numericals from our equation of motion. Then we will finish it out, then we'll start next part. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. Once completed, you can say done, sir. And once I will say done, sir, you will start saying done, sir. Opika ledu. Yeah, why to have Opika, sir? Hunger is there to become doctor next year. That's why Opika ledu, sir. Not required Opika. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah, I will give you one question. Come on. Acha, do you remember this year question which came from equation of motion in the NEET? Do you remember that question? Some wooden plank was there. It was penetrating. Shall I give you that question? Karoge? Do you want to do it? Huh? The question which came this year in the NEET. Come on, do it, do it. I'll give you question in little short. I will give you question in little short because actually they explained everything, so it was big question. I will give you in short. You write. You write. When a bullet, it will start. Starting it app takes some time. Yeah. You write. When a bullet is fired with speed u, when a bullet is fired with speed u, when a bullet is fired with speed u, its speed after penetrating, when a bullet is fired with speed u, its speed after penetrating 24 centimeter is found to be u by 3. When a bullet is fired with speed u, its speed after penetrating 24 centimeter is u by 3. Find the total thickness of wooden plank. Find the total thickness of wooden plank. Find the total thickness of wooden plank If bullet completely comes to rest, find the total thickness of wooden plank. If bullet completely comes to rest on the other side of the plank, find the total thickness of the wooden plank. If bullet completely comes to rest on the other side of the plank. They are talking in two parts, means 2 times equation of motion you have to apply to get the answer. Don't Google it, you will not get. Language changed. Don't use Galileo's ratio. It's not question of Galileo's ratio. Galileo's ratio will work only when initial velocity will be 0. Here initial velocity is not 0. It's fired with speed u. So first part u to u by 3. Second part u to 0. U to u by 3 distance is given. And they are asking you distance from u to 0. 2 equations will come, solve from there, you will get. Same question I gave in offline batch, everyone was able to do. Number of planks are not required. They are not asking how many number of planks will be required. They are asking you thickness of the wooden plank. चलो जल्दी बाबा, टाइम ले दो. अरे 8 you are giving me number of planks. They are not asking you number of planks, Baba. They are asking you thickness of the wooden plank. That is the problem. In your brain, you already have one question, sir, how to find minimum number of planks. That is not the question. They are asking you thickness of the wooden plank. When a bullet is fired with speed u, its speed after penetrating 24 centimeter is found to be u by 3. Find the total thickness of the wooden plank if other side it comes to rest. Shiva has finally given correct answer. Shiva correct. Shiva correct, 100% correct. Caught by yourself or Googled? MK correct. Ajay wrong. Sorry bro, correct. Nice name, sorry bro. कविता करेक्ट, सरन्या करेक्ट, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, साजिद करेक्ट, वेरी गुड. या Dwarkesh correct. Dipti, it was easy question. Noel also, it's easy question. But always that much easy will not come now. What is the ratio? Last year they gave now. What is the ratio of Galileo's? What is the value of Galileo's ratio? Kavita is saying the process also very good. So every year they will not give you that much easy now. Little work you have to do now. That is the meaning of physics now. Otherwise physics will become bio now. So that's why. Otherwise this question is not tough. One line solution. First thing, reading question is very, very important. Again and again, I am saying ye kaan khol ke sun lo. Once you will not understand the question, you will never get the answer. So understand the question. They are saying, sir, a bullet loses. Yeah, they are saying, sir, when a bullet is fired with speed u. When bullet is fired with speed u, with how much speed you are firing? With speed u. And after penetrating 24 centimeter. Means even if you don't draw diagram, nothing to worry. I will simply say, sir, when the bullet is fired with speed u, after penetrating 24 centimeter, how much is its final speed? U by 3. This is what is given. When a bullet is fired with speed u, after penetrating 24 centimeter, its speed become u by 3. You tell me, you know initial velocity, you know final velocity, you know displacement. Can you tell me which equation of motion relates initial velocity, final velocity and displacement? Batao kaun sa equation? Which equation relates initial velocity, final velocity and distance? Third equation. So use karo na usko. Use karo na. I will simply say, sir, that means, sir, you have already given me u given, v given, s given. I will use third equation. V square minus u square will be equal to 2a into s. What is s, sir? 24 centimeter. No need to convert into meter because given into centimeter and option was also in centimeter. So no need to convert because everything will get cancelled. No problem. Yeah. Second part, what they're asking you, sir, find the total distance bullet will travel. They're asking you find the thickness of the plank if the bullet comes to rest. Means in second part, if you are firing with you, bullet will come to rest. Here they are asking you distance. Again, initial velocity known, final velocity known, distance they are asking you. You can again relate using third equation of motion. V square minus U square will be equal to 2A into S. This S we need to find. So one way, yeah, very good, yeah. One way, find A from here, put here, or simply divide them. Whenever such situation comes, simply divide them. So if you divide them, how much it will come? Now just calculation is there. This is U by 9, U square by 9. And if you subtract, this will become minus 8 U square by 9. This will be equal to, I just solved it. This will be 2A into 24. Now divide them. Once you divide this equation, U square cancel, minus cancel. This will give you 8 by 9. And this will give you 2A cancel, 24 by S. Now from here you can get S will be coming as 27 centimeter. चमका क्या समझ में आया? बोलो. Shriram, you can do like that also. Extra 3 centimeter you can do, no problem. Saranya, what is 3? Okay, no problem. Everyone got? Okay, so this is how we have talked about all this situation, and this is how we have completed our class today, because I have to go to other campus. Yeah, so I will get late there. Okay. Achha, what you are practicing, what you are solving, because you have to do practice. Apart from notes, what you are doing? क्या कर रहे हो? जल्दी बता दो. Where you are practicing? Mug will start tomorrow. Gym. Module gym is the best material. Which is as per NEET. You can check if you have any doubt now. Check the module again and keep the NEET paper and module and match. All questions will match. Those who don't have material, take the material from the campus. Always remember this 1 year is very PYQs are also there in that. In our material, in our gym, PYQs are also there. One exercise is completely dedicated to PYQs. So PYQs you have to do from there and remaining question. They did not give books, no problem. I will ask, you can call here and they will courier it. No problem. Yeah. So books will be couriered, but you must take the book. Either if you are nearby, you can take the book. If you're staying online, then I am saying, yeah. Acha, no, stock came. Few days back it came. Ajay, again you can ask. So everyone must have gym. Everyone must practice the gym. Then only finally NEET you can expect good marks. So this is how we have talked about more situation. From here we'll be talking in the next class. For today we'll be ending. Okay, bye. Tata, bye. Take care, bye. Study well. Come on. Next year has to be your NEET. 2024, you have to rock. Come on. Yeah. You can message me on WhatsApp. You have my WhatsApp number. You can message me on WhatsApp. Those who want the gym, you can message me. I will give information to them with your name and roll number, means admission ID. I will ask them to courier. Bye.